And now I'm going to talk about niche selection. Why we need to choose the right niche for our video. If you choose that niche with the high competition, you may not success in YouTube. If you choose sub niche, or you can find out the best niche for your video with low competition, you have more chance to success in YouTube. You need to search your niche best way, so it may give you best result. So what is actually niche selection? You can heard this word many times in blogging words, but in YouTube you may not heard this word many times in YouTube. So what is meaning by niche selection? What is mean by niche? It's mean actually what type of niche you want to, what type of video you want to create. If you have experience in cooking or anything or tutorial, you can select this niche for your video. For more, you can simply search on Google what is niche selection for your video. People can make many type of video in YouTube. If you are expert in some field, I'm going to suggest you select this type of niche for your video. Trust me, it will help you in your future a lot. If you don't know about anything, that niche you selected, does not help you. If you motivated by some other YouTuber and you want to making those type of YouTube video for your YouTube channel and you don't know nothing about this type of video, so this is not going to help you for your YouTube career. If you know something and you do something. If you know something about your niche, please select this niche for your video and stay with one niche. So why you need to stay with your one niche, I'm going to tell you future in this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next video.